Start by sieving in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Here we go. We're gonna sieve this really very well. Once sieved, we'll be adding 1 cup of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Again sieve it really very well. Here we are done. We're gonna mix this. Here it's done. Now in a bowl, I'm gonna take 2 bananas and mash it same like this. We'll make such paste. In this, we'll be adding 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/3 cup of oil. We're gonna mix this really very well. Once mixed, we'll be adding a flour mixture. We're gonna divide this into 3 parts and add. Mix this with a whisk. Here goes the second part. And here goes a last part. So it should get such consistency. Now I'll be using a spatula to just combine everything really very well. Now I'll be adding a little choco chips in this and again give this a very good mix. Here I've got some liners. I'll be adding a batter into this. I'm using an ice cream scooper. You can even use a simple spoon for that. By this method, I'll get equal size cupcakes. So we're gonna bake this. So this is a pic of our half-baked cupcakes. These are completely baked. You can just have a look at these. You can enjoy these as this is, or just melt 100 grams of chocolate. Mix this very well. Now in this, we'll be adding a little fresh cream. Well, I didn't take perfect measures for this. Just estimated little added. So mix this really very well. Search. Still will be needing to mix it very well. So after mixing it more, you'll get search. I'll be using search nozzle. Just fill the chocolate in the piping bag and poke in our nozzle, and just by slowly pressing it, bring it up. So I'm gonna do some 4 to 5. So well, I've done 4 and you can really enjoy it. I'll just show you one. I'll just keep a plate. Okay. a little chocolate has come out, but that's completely alright. Wow, just look at it. It's amazing. I'm gonna eat this. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like,